Welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. This is Excel Quick Takes. I have a collection of 10 things I want to talk about. Each one is so short it's not worth a video. I'm going to put all 10 in this video. Let's go. First off, congratulations to Layla. 1 million YouTube subscribers. That is just awesome. One thing to notice, Excel just loads faster. Look how fast that is with the new look. There's a faster way to get to the browse. This is clickable, and it opens the same browse. It's faster. Next up, Control F now opens to show the options expanded every time. So just Control F. Used to be you had to click options to see all the good stuff. Task panes, we talked about this back in episode 2320, how task panes will collapse. Never worked with pivot tables. Now it does. Oh man, great article on Chris Webb's blog about how cube functions can now spill. He's using the new make array function that I talked about just the other day. I'll put a link down to Chris's article in the YouTube description. The next feature that we have is something called smooth scrolling. It used to be that if you had a really tall cell and you would scroll the wheel mouse, it would jump one row at a time. Well, now we can scroll partway through a cell and even leave the cell there on the fourth line. Before, it would always snap either to the top of row 1 or to the top of row 2. All right, here's one. Shout out to David in Cambodia. I discovered that the stock data types, which we've had for a long time, if you right click here, go to data type, refresh settings, it now has an ability to automatically refresh every 5 minutes. This one only works in Windows 11. You know, under view, arrange all, it just never has been the same since I switched to the single document interface. But coming in Windows 11, they have this awesome trick. Let's take a look. All right, so here I have 3 workbooks open, 1, 2, and 3. And I want to arrange those. So Windows 11 only, if I hover over that little icon, I can choose. Like I can choose this one down here, or I can choose the 3 that are equal sized. It's kind of weird the way that this works. So here I'm looking at book 1, and I choose where it goes. And then what's odd is they want me to choose which one goes in the top right. So book 2, and then there's only one left. Why did they make me choose? But they make me choose, there's book 3. All right, so that's Windows 11 exclusive. And then finally, last off, Ken and Miguel, the fabulous second edition of M is for Data Monkey called Master Your Data, Power Query, and Excel and Power BI, now out in PDF. I think November 1st is when the print edition comes out. Boy, it is much larger. I think we used to be 240 pages, and now it's up to 371 pages. We've added a lot of content. Link down below for that information. If you like these videos, please down below, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the comments below. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.